So we're going to be doing something we haven't done in a while. This will be a unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Gemini 1/200 scale Delta Airlines Saab 340. So this is item number G2DAL 1340. So this model actually came a couple weeks ago, but we were on vacation, and then when I got back I was a little sick, so we kind of waited till now to make this. So we've got the box. In the packaging comes the little 3-part stand for the narrow bodies. And then inside we've got our aircraft itself. So this is November 428 X-Ray Juliet. This was delivered to Mesaba in 1997. So this is one of 2 turboprops I have worked on in my career. So 428, which started its life at Mesaba, later went on to Silver Airways and became November 328 Alpha Golf. After Silver went out of business, this aircraft went to Aerolíneas Sosa and became Hotel Romeo-Sierra Echo Sierra. So another interesting fact about Mesaba that a lot of people don't actually know is not only did they operate the Saab for its Delta Connection brand, but it had a handful of Saab 340s that used to be Delta Connection ones that were later repainted and operated for US Airways out of LaGuardia. So like I mentioned, this was one of 2 turboprops I have worked on, this one being the first. And if you see on the leading edge here of the wings, as well as the stab and horizontal stab, there are black rubber boots. And these are actually for anti-icing. And what happens is air inflates these and it breaks all the ice off the leading edge. So on the overnights, we would have to check these by inflating the boots and spraying them down with soapy water, and then any little pinholes would get patched with almost like a bike tire patch kit. So just another interesting little thing about the Saab. I thought I'd also just take this time to show off the collection so far. And again, I've mentioned it in past videos, the airplanes I collect are all ones that I have worked on throughout my career in aviation, which is why I collect the specific ones that I have and not just some random ones.